Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be treating on plugin, how to install plugin or save plugin on your Figma. Now you can see from a Figma icon, you can see plugin from there. You can still go through this icon here or there, click on it like a plus button, you will see plugins that you can search for the one you need for you to use and work. Now plugins to me is just like a shortcut. Instead of going through to just of the website, you can just install a plugin in your Figma and use it for working. This is the last plugin I've used on Figma. You can press alternate you can press control alternate P to run your last plugins. You can see all my saved plugins there. Do you see it? Then down here you can see something like find more plugins, but these are just my all saved plugin here. You can click there. Instead of following through this menu, you can search for any plugin you want to make use of. Let's search for something. It's loading, just having a slow network today, sorry for that. Let's just click a random, maybe pictures, and see what comes out as a plugin. Okay, let me click on this Pixcut background picture. Use it to remove a background. Now you can click on run to run the plugin even without installing it. You can copy the link, click it on open another tab and click and log into the full whole thing there to see. But that's not what we are treating, so just go back. So as I'm saying, no need of waiting for it. As I'm saying, plugin is just like a shortcut. Instead of going through tedious way of going to a website, downloading picture and all that, or downloading something, then you go to your desktop, import it, so it's a long way. So here, this one I've installed it already, so you can see remove from Figma. So I don't want to remove though, so let's search for something random that I have not installed. I don't need any plugin, just want you to know how to install yours. Picture, let's allow it to load. So plugin makes your work easier. Let's click on the first one. Then you can see run, so let's allow it to load. Let's click on that burger menu. You see save there, right? So when you click on save, I don't want to save it, you save the plugin. That means any other day you want to use it, you just click on your save. When you're saved, click on your plugins and your save to see the ones that you want to make use of and make use of it. So let's go through this plugin menu. Let's click on find saved plugins. Let's look for the I want to demonstrate something using Unsplash. I will do it with the end of the video. Unsplash and remove BG plugin to show you some of the plugin how it works. So let's look for let's look for we'll make use of Unsplash. Make use of Unsplash. That's the best thing. So let's look for it. Let me click on Splash. And Splash plugin. If you don't have it, you can look for it through your plugin the way I showed you and install it. So it's opening. Instead of going through on Splash website, download picture, come to Figma, click on import and look for the picture and import it to Figma. It's a long process. So this plugin helps us to work faster, makes our work easier. So let me type something which I have did already. So search, let's just download a picture. All you have to do is just click on the picture you need. Okay, let me click on one of these picture I need. You can see. Let's wait for it to appear. Yes, we can reduce the picture, we can resize the picture, or even if you don't want to resize it, we can just zoom out our Figma, which I did. So I want to remove this background of this picture, so I will use another plugin which I installed here on Figma called remove bg. So let's look for the plugin. I have saved it already on Figma. Let's look for it. Let's run it. Now remove bg is very easy to install and register. If you install it on Figma, you may not use it immediately. They will require some certain things like API keys and other, but it's very easy for you to register and do whatever you want to do with it. I just want to use it to remove the background of this picture. So having a slow network today, so they said we should click on the picture. We have not selected any picture, so let's run it again. I've selected the picture. Before I didn't select the picture, that's why it didn't work. So I've selected the picture. Let me run the plugin again, which is remove bg. Let's run it again and see what happens. This picture will automatically remove the background. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In our next, I will be illustrating a drop down menu